Another example, Nana. This is the ring. Look here. This is the ring, Nana. Clothed ring. Clothed ring. Here, Nana, magnet. This is the magnet, Nana. Here, North Pole. Here, South Pole. Actually, this is the ring. Here, this is the ring. This is the magnet. Magnet moves towards the ring, Nana, in the situation. Nana, magnet moves towards the ring. Face of the coil, similar pole is induced. Here north is there, here north is there. Once again I repeat, here. According to Lenz law, magnet moves towards the coil, similar pole is induced. This is north, this is north. Because of repulsion, what happens to the acceleration? Generally, A value equal to G in the situation. But according to North Pole, because of repulsion, its acceleration of the magnet less than G. Okay? Once again I repeat, look here. This is the coil. Here magnet moves towards the coil. Here similar pole is induced. Because of repulsion, its acceleration less than G. Next situation, look here. Look here now. Next situation, look here. This is the magnet now. Here magnet have two poles. One is north, other one is south. Here, look here. This is the coil and this is the magnet. Here in the situation, magnet, this is the coil and in the situation, magnet moves away from the coil. Magnet moves away from the coil. In the situation, away from the coil means on the coil, opposite pole is induced. Magnet moves away from the coil. Here opposite pole is induced. This north ni south ఏం చేస్తుంది? Attract. In the situation also, acceleration of the magnet is less than G. Simply, in the both situation, acceleration of the magnet is less than G. First situation, repulsion. Second situation, attraction. Because of attraction of the magnet, its acceleration decrease. Nana, ee coil ఏం చేస్తుంది? Magnet ni attract. That's why its acceleration is less than G. Hold. The third point, very important point. Look here. This is called cut ring. Cut ring. In the situation, this is the magnet. Here, magnet moves towards the coil. Here, magnet moves towards the coil, similar pole is induced. Simply here, north pole is induced. Here, in the situation, EMF developed in the ring. Nana, EMF developed in the ring. But the ring name is cut ring. Cut ring means here some gap is there. This is also called as open ring. According to electricity, current always flow in the closed circuit, not in the open circuit. In the situation, EMF developed in the ring, but the ring is open. Because of ring is open, here once again I repeat, ring is open, current always flow in the closed circuit. This is the open ring, that's why here induced current is zero. Induced current is zero. Next example, Nana, very important example, final example, look here. The example is fourth one. In the situation, look here, This is the capacitor. Capacitor have two plates. Same size unte capacitor nanu. One is large size, other one is small size unte the symbol is battery symbol. Both have same size nana. This is called capacitor. Look here. This capacitor is connected to the closed loop. In the situation, look here now. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. Here, magnet moves towards the coil. Here north pole is there, here north pole is there. Automatically magnet moves towards the coil. Similar pole induce. North means above. All the lines are away. Induced current in anti-clockwise direction in the situation. According to this concept, current flow B to A. In the electron, in the electricity, current direction, electron direction is opposite. Current flow B to A, automatically electron motion is A to B. In the electricity, again I repeat, direction of current, direction of electrons opposite. Current direction B to A, automatically electron direction A to B. Here electron lose the plate A. Electron lose means in the electricity, electron lose means the plate A has positive plate. Automatically electron gain the plate B. Electron gain means the plate B is negative plate. What is the question? The question is the plate A has what charge? Positive charge. The plate B has what charge? Negative charge. That is the question. Okay? Here, once again repeat. Electron lose. Electron lose means this is the positive plate. Electron, the plate B is gain. That means the plate B is negative plate. The question is, what is the charges on the plate A and plate B? Charges on the plate A is positive. Charges on the plate B is negative. Okay? Same question I repeated again. Look here. Another example. This is the capacitor. Question is, what is the charges on the plates of A and B? Here, this is the magnet. Magnet have two poles. In the situation, magnet moves away from the coil. Simply, here opposite pole is induced. Here north is there, here south is there. South means amide. All the lines inward. Induced current direction is clockwise. Once again I repeat. Here direction of current is in clockwise direction. Okay, direction of current is, once again I repeat, clockwise direction. In the situation, once again I repeat, direction of current is in clockwise direction. Current direction, electron direction opposite. Here electrons moves B to A. Electrons start from B means this is lose of electron. Electron lose means this is positive plate. Electrons gain to plate A. Electron gain means the plate have negative plate. Once again repeat. What is the charge on the plate A? Negative plate. What is the charge on plate B? Positive plate. Hold. Look here. This is the coil, Nana. This is the coil. This is the current. In the situation, this is the coil. This is the current. In the situation, constant current flows. Current is constant. Current is constant. This current carrying wire, according to Eirsted experiment, to produce a magnetic field. According to right hand thumb rule, this is the current magnetic field out the board. This is original field due to this current. Constant current flow, automatically constant magnetic field act. In the situation, what is the flux formula? Flux formula is B-A-N cos theta. Okay, here current constant, produced field also constant. Simply, flux is constant. We know that Faraday's second law, induced EMF equal to minus d phi by dt. Here B constant, A constant, N constant, theta constant, automatically flux is constant. Any constant we apply differentiation, automatically 0. Simply here no EMF develop, simply no potential difference develop, simply current induced becomes 0. Current induced becomes 0. Okay? Here constant current flow. Look here now. These all are examples of Lenz law. This is the current wire carrying a current I. Here current flow increases. Look here. According to Eirsted experiment, current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. To produce the magnetic field out the board. Okay? Here current flow increases, automatically magnetic field also increases. Once again I repeat, current flow increases, magnetic field also increases. According to Lenz, minus. What is the indication of minus? Opposition. Here magnetic field increases, according to Lenz, magnetic field increase in ఏం చేయాలి? Oppose. Once again I repeat. Here current increase, corresponding magnetic field increase. That means according to Lenz law, opposition. Here increase in magnetic field, oppose. Oppose means that will be decrease. That's why in the coil, magnetic field induced in opposite direction. Because what is the Lenz law conclusion? Minus indicate oppose. Here magnetic field increase in ఏం చేయాలి? Oppose. Oppose. ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది. 5 తగ్గియాలి. తగ్గియాలి అంటే 3 అవ్వాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇది 5, ఇది 2 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు 5 minus 2 ఎంత? 3. Simply current increase, field increase. Here induced field is opposite to the original field. Opposite to the original field. Because, once again I repeat, induced field is opposite to the original field. Because field increase, that increase may be decrease by using Lenz law. So that's why this is the induced magnetic field. Here into the board, the current direction is, this is the direction of induced current. Induced current. According to right hand curl rule. According to right hand curl rule. Use clockwise direction. Question is, what is the direction of current? Here clockwise direction. Next I discuss another example. Look here. This is the coil. Here this is the current. In the situation, current flow decreases. Okay, look here. In the situation, current flow decreases. Current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. This is the magnetic field. Here out the board. Look here now. Current, magnetic field. This is original magnetic field. Here current decreases, magnetic field also decreases. According to Lynch, oppose. Here magnetic field decrease ni em cheyali, oppose. That means decrease ni em cheyali, increase cheyali ante here also induced field act in the same direction according to Lynch law. Once again I repeat, here current decrease, production of magnetic field decreases. According to Lynch, that phenomena oppose. Here magnetic field decrease means that's why that is increase. So here induced field act in the same direction, automatically net magnetic field increase. So here this is the induced magnetic field. Out the board means here current direction is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, this is what is the question. What is the direction of current here? Anti-clockwise direction.